You know, we're in a country where politicians who do not mean well for the country will find whatever means to see that things don't work out. Religion, ethnicity, has always been used as the divisive tools to make sure that things don't work. Take, for example, when I was the governor of Rivers State, because of politics, it was all over the social media, all over the country was raging that I demolished a mosque. I'm sure you may remember that situation, the situation then. I was just wondering, where is this coming from? When was this decision taken? Where was it taken? And I summoned the permanent secretary then to say, well, where did you people go to destroy mosque? I said, which mosque? There was no destruction of mosque. That's okay. It had to take the former governor of Ekiti State, who was then the chairman of the Nigerian Government Forum, Dr. Fayemi, to come down to Port Harcourt. And I took him. I said, show me where mosque was demolished. He shook his head. He shook his head. I said, we have to be careful. Instead of you to talk about how our country is going to move forward, we always bring in divisive tendencies. You were here when the National Mosque Movement came, led by the SYMFONI. You were here when they said, look, the contract awarded to rehabilitate the mosque and the Christian and the community center, that has been stopped. I said, the executive secretary of FCD, why did you not bring this to our attention? He now said there that, but the job is going on. The General Secretary of National Supreme Council for Islamic Affairs, Prophet Lowe, said no, the job is not going on. And I gave him 24 hours. You must go and bring me the file and tell me why this job is not going on. It's a commitment made, and we must have to pull. But if you read social media this morning, that I have directed him to make sure that the demolition of the mosque that is people who do not have the interests of this nation at heart. It's unfortunate. And when the SYMFONI, who led delegation came, he told me that, look, these plots which you have given us notice and time to develop were not at fault. It was FCD that said, look, the road they are doing for the southern part will cross their plots, and so they were waiting for reallocation of land. And I said, what's the position? These are things if you don't have the facts, you just go and, oh, he wants to demolish the property of the Supreme Council for Islamic Affairs.